Hey guys, it's me, Kennedy, and today I am going to show you guys my slime. So basically, it's like putty. I use like this slime. So this is what I use. I use the slime. This one. Let me. Okay. Put it right here, right now. So basically, I use this slime. There's a lot of air bubbles in it right now. And then what I did was I put the powder. I put this powder inside of it, and I just made a lot. And it's like butter slime basically. It's like really like butter slime without even what's it called? Without magic model. And that's what I like, because now you can just have like regular slime, and you can have just regular slime and put it in the, and then like just put it in the what's it called? Just make whatever slime you want. You don't have to use all of it. And this is also really cool because it is like really stretchy, but also it breaks, but that's okay. I've been putting some color in it, so you guys can use these colors for like put it in your slime. I put this one in my slime, and I put another one. I think it's over here. Yeah. I use this one, and what's the last one? Oh, and I use this one, and that's how I made this color. I don't know if you guys know what color it is, but yeah. And I also put some. This has glitter in it. It's a perfume, and then I put some of this cotton candy spray. And it smells like cotton candy. It's actually really cool. So, yeah. Like you said, the slime. So now we're going to go back to my slime area. And basically, I'm just going to show you. It's so fun. So, I love it. So basically what I just do with my slime, I just play with it until I get bored. I love this right now. And I'm going to open it, and I'm going to see what I can do to my slime with this. Some people put like Sharpie in their stuff, so I'm going to use Sharpie too. So, these are basically Sharpies, but like in a different kind of marker. So, I'm going to use these ones. Oop. Missing one. Okay. I got it. So comment down below if I should use this one. So I'm just in the pinks and the blues right now. Purple. Okay. Comment down below which one should I use. So I have no idea. But I think I know which one I should use. I think I'm gonna go with the blue. So bye. Okay. So basically you're just gonna open your marker, which you have. You're gonna lay it down. You're gonna just okay, and then you're just gonna draw. I'm gonna draw a little heart. Okay, I got the heart ready. Oopsie. Okay. This is what it looks like. Now we're just gonna mix. Actually, I'm gonna use a little more to make it like blue. So I'm just gonna do this. Mess up the heart. Okay. Now it looks like really disgusting. It looks like somebody exploded their heart. So this is what it looks like. We have many pants in the background. And comment and subscribe and like this video if right now, so I can see if you like it or not. Just at least just like it, right? Okay. Just do it. But it looks the same. I don't know if it looks darker to you guys, but it looks the same for me. It's basically just a light color. I did have a small one, but I mixed it up. So basically what I did was I used the slime that I just showed you guys. And I used the slime that, that's just the same slime, but I put more powder. And then the other slime I put like lots of powder, and it was like putty, putty. This was like putty, but it's just like a, more like a, what's it called? More of a, what's it called? What is it? What did I just say to you guys? Butter slime, yeah, butter slime. It's so satisfying. It's like slime obeys what you're doing. Now you could do a hashtag. Or I can do like a hashtag #GTikTok. So this is really fun. Like I'm playing my own game. Okay, I won. So basically, I'm X and I'm O. It's getting a little dark. I think I'm gonna add a little more, like a little bit of more slime in the middle. Okay. Put it right here so you guys can also see me. Okay. So, over there. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see me if I put my thing. No, I do. Okay, put it right here. Okay. You guys can see me? Okay. So I'm not gonna get this one. I just put a little bit, and it has a lot of air bubbles, so that's good. You guys can see this one's light, and it's also really jiggly. Oh my gosh, I haven't felt this thing in like forever. I haven't felt it since yesterday. I haven't felt it since yesterday. I really haven't. Okay, so now I'm gonna place that right in the middle. I'm just gonna make like a little donut in the middle, so I give it some more. Like a little. I'm gonna get some more air bubbles. Okay, I just put it in and hopefully it fixes it. I'm gonna put a little more. Maybe like this much. It's also really like tough, like really tough. Really. I love this so much. I just put my mouth in front of the camera for no reason. Oh my gosh, can you guys see that? Okay. Whoop. And this is not stick to carpet. Like, it really doesn't. Like, I just put it on the carpet. Like, watch this. It's cool. I don't know if you guys saw it, but it's really cool. Even if you put it to a chair. Like, the stuff on the chair and it's on the floor, if it's like has crumbs on it, it will, or maybe not. But it will be easy to take it off, so. Thank you guys so much for watching my slime video. Make sure you comment, share, and subscribe and like if you like this video. And tell me if you like my new blue outfit. I'm going to show you guys one. I have my pants, my blue shirt, and my blue bow. Oops, put it down. Yeah, I'm wearing all blue today. So, I'm here. Oh, and I'm gonna do another video about my my room tour. We have Nana, and just gonna do that so then you guys can see my new room. and it's beautiful. But I'm gonna show you whenever I do that video, I'm gonna show you my main favorite part about this room. So, bye guys. See you next time.